Good night. My name is Tatiana. We talk about supply chain. Basic supply chain. Supply chain is the process of delivering a product from raw material to the consumer. It includes supply planning, product planning, demand planning, sales, and operations and supply management. So, supply chain management enables enterprises to source the materials necessary to create a product or service and deliver that product or service to the customer. The actors of the supply chain is mainly four. They're, they are the producers. Producers or manufacturers are organizations that make a product. This includes companies that are producers of raw materials, such as organizations that farm the land. The other are companies that are producers of finished goods. Other actor is the distributors. Distributors are also known as wholesalers. They typically sell to other businesses and they sell products in larger quantities than an individual customers will usually buy. Other actor is retailers. Retailers stock inventory and sell in smaller quantities to the general public. And finally, we found the customers. Customers are any organization that purchase and use a product. A customer organization may be the purchase a product for incorporate into the another product that they sell to other customers. Now see the strategies of the supply chain. The strategies are adopt a planning based on real-time demand, build and adapting an agile supply chain with rapid planning and integrated execution, uh, optimize product designs and product management for supply, and finally align the supply chain with the business goals. And very important, also the sustainability. The flows in the supply chains. Supply chain is the management of these three flows. Uh, Material flow. This is the flow of the physical products for suppliers all the way down to the customer. The information flow is the flow of information from suppliers to customer and for customer back to supplier. This flow is bidirectional. And the financial flow that involves the movement of money from the customer to the supplier. And now see the service supply chain management. The service supply chain management involves the logistics required to return a product for repair, servicing, replacement, or recycling, a process called reverse logistics. Supply chain management in the service sector is becoming increasingly important. This is the supply chain evolution. Supply chain evolution initially in 1960 as a key area for future productivity improvement since the system was highly fragmented. In 1990, a globalization is action incited a functional integration and the emergence of logistic. All the elements of the supply chain become part of a single management. In 2000, implementation our modern information and communication technology did a more complete integration become possible with the emergence of supply chains. And finally, after 2010 and now, many firms took advantage of new manufacturing opportunities in developed economies. This is the types of supply chain. Is the push model. In this model, the actual demand determines the inventory to be produced, and the pull model is the other model where the customer places the order first. After that, the manufacturing of the products is done. And now see the horizontal and vertical integrations. Horizontal and vertical integration are strategies used by businesses in the same industry or processes. In horizontal integration, a company takes over another that operates at the same level of the value chain in an industry. In vertical integration involves the acquisition of business operation within the same production vertical. The benefits of um, integration vertical is advantage, guarantee the supply materials, increase entry barriers, reduce the cost. And the benefits of integration, horizontal integration is higher production, increased and make it power. Thank you.